Today we'll be looking at the new MSI Prestige 15 laptop. The Prestige 15 was perfected for all sorts of artistic creations and to empower individuals to expand their creative boundaries. The accessories you'll find with every Prestige 15 includes a USB hub and a compact USB-C charger, although only select models will contain a laptop sleeve. On the USB hub, there's an Ethernet port, 2 USB ports, and 2 card readers, one for SD and the other for micro SD. A micro USB is also included if additional power is required. Succeeding the PS63 Modern, the Prestige 15 also sports a dark gray body with blue diamond cut accents. The ports that are available on the Prestige 15 are 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, an HDMI out, 1 combo audio jack, 1 micro SD card reader, and 2 USB 3.2 Type A ports. One thing you may notice that is missing is the dedicated charger port, as the Prestige 15 is equipped with USB power delivery charging, allowing users to quickly charge through either of the USB-C ports. Make the world your office with the Prestige 15, featuring up to 16 hours of battery life and Wi-Fi 6 capabilities, enabling the latest wireless networking for faster and more reliable connections. Share and collaborate ideas easily with the 180-degree lay-flat hinge and the flip and share mode. Once you return back to base, you can hook up the Prestige 15 to our new USB-C docking station with just one USB-C cable, giving you much more flexibility by adding an Ethernet port, multiple USBs, and video ports. USB-C docking station sold separately. On the Prestige 15, you'll find up to a 6-core, 10th gen Intel Core i7 processor, up to an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Max-Q, and an optional True Pixel display. MSI's new exclusive True Pixel display contains 4 important tools that are greatly beneficial for creative work: a 4K resolution display, 100% Adobe RGB color gamut, a delta E of less than 2 for color accuracy, and True Color Technology factory calibration. The display is also Cowman verified for an impeccable color accurate experience. The Prestige 15 weighs in at a mere 3.64 pounds and measures out to approximately 14 by 9 inches, and a little over half an inch in height when the lid is closed. Tap into the spirit of creativity with the new MSI Prestige 15.